It's 4 a.m. in West Long Branch. An off-duty officer has just trailed a Volkswagen for miles after watching it slam into a highway guardrail and keep driving. What starts as a roadside tip is about to escalate into a full DUI investigation as uniformed officers step in to find out exactly why the driver didn't stop.
Hello, Shrewsbury Police. Just have your license, registration, insurance going on here? Then just a few quick things I gotta tell you. One, I'm wearing a body cam, so I gotta tell everybody. And number two, you know why I stopped you? Do you know why I stopped you?
Yeah.
You?
Actually, I don't know why
You have no headlights on. And then you should be a license on you too?
It's not back there. I put my purse right here. When you came in the car and you're stuck. Right here.
There we go.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
That's alright. Perfect. How's your driving record?
Good. Never been pulled over.
Gotcha. Okay, just give me a second. I'll be right back. How do you pronounce your last name? Is it Huffnagel? Is that how you pronounce it? You do me a favor? Step out of the car for me. You just want to make sure you're okay to drive.
Of course.
Hold on one second. Wait. That's perfect. All right, you can get it. I just didn't want to record it. Thank you. And then just go up to the sidewalk over there. Just keep your hands in your pockets for me. Up on the sidewalk, please. Yep, there you go. And then just see where my light is?
Yeah.
Right back there. Perfect. And then face. Perfect. There we go. Hands in your pocket for me. At your sides. All right. Should do a few quick tests. If there's anything that you don't understand, sometimes I talk a little fast. Just tell me to repeat myself. I will. All right. So first things first, what I want you to do, stand with your feet together, your hands at your side for me like you have. Good. See this pen?
Yes.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a few passes across your face, okay? I just want you to follow this pen with your eyes and your eyes only. You understand everything I told you so far? Like I said, just follow the pen. Try not to move your head, all right? Don't move your head. Just your eyes. There you go. All the way. Perfect. Don't move your head. Keep it like you're looking straight at me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's all right. Like you're looking straight at me, okay? Just your eyes. It's all right. So just keep following the pen. A few more, all right? You're doing a good job. Okay, now should go up this time, all right? Same thing. Keep your head where it is. Just your eyes only. Good. All right, next one. What I want you to do, same thing. No, stay where you are.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's right. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna explain it to you. All right. Just when I explain it to you, just follow the directions. All right. I'm gonna tell you when to start the test, when to walk or whatnot. So just follow my directions. All right. What I want you to do first, put your left foot on the ground, and then put your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe like I'm standing. So you can do that for me now. Perfect. Heel to toe. Perfect. Now stay like that the whole time until I tell you to start. Okay. When I tell you to start, what I want you to do is take 9 heel to toe steps in a straight line. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, okay? So just watch what I do, demonstrate it, then you're going to do it, all right? So when I tell you to start, you're going to do 9 heel to toe steps in a straight line like so. Okay, each step out loud. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 3 to show you. You're going to do 9, right?
9.
Yep. Once you get to 9, leave that lead from the ground. Here's the small steps to turn back around. 9 steps back, same thing, counting each step out loud. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9, right? So it's 9 steps down, heel to toe, counting each step out loud. Turn back around. Same thing, 9 steps back, heel to toe, counting each step out loud. You understand everything I told you?
Yes.
Okay, you can start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yep. And then 9 back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. Last one. All right, what I need you to do, like the first starting position we did, feet together, hands at your side. All right, when I tell you to, same thing. I'm going to give you directions. Don't start until I tell you to. You're going to pick a leg of your choosing. I don't care which one, but I'm just going to do it with my right. All right, so when I tell you to, pick a leg of your choosing. You lift it 6 inches off the ground like so. You're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003. You're going to keep going until I tell you to stop. You understand?
All right,
the whole time you're doing the test, keep your hands at your side. And I want you to look at your raised foot. Hold on one second. All right, you can begin.
1001, 1002.
Keep your hands at your side, too.
1003.
Here come the field sobriety tests. Officer Kampf is administering the walk and turn, a divided attention test designed to split the brain's focus between physical balance and mental processing. Watch closely. Stepping off the line, missing heel to toe, or starting too early are all distinct clues of impairment. How steady does she look to you?
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. Sorry.
It's okay.
1001, 1002. Sorry.
It's all right.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008.
Cool.
I'm not very well.
That's right. Hey, just do me a favor, just turn around for me.
Yeah.
You're under arrest for DWI. Do you have anything on you? In your pockets or anything like that?
No.
All right, you have a wallet and your phone in the car? What's in the car? Because what we're going to do, we're going to bring you in, right? You're under, like I said, you're under arrest for DWI. We're going to bring you inside. We just need a phone if you have it on you in your wallet, because you're going to get released to. We're going to call someone for you. You're going to come this way with me. I'll talk to your friends once you're in the car.
I don't have my phone. I don't have my wallet.
Okay, all right, that's fine. We'll bring your friends inside with us then too. They're not in trouble. They're right here. Hold on one second. You can hop in the car for me.
Could you say to my friends
to
call Ashley?
Call Ashley? Okay, that's fine. Yep. They might be coming inside too. Like I said, they're not in trouble or anything. Okay. And while we're going in and we're inside, I'll explain everything to you. All right. 4539. Gonna have one female, 41 for 450.
This is 100 for 450.
Hey, look, your friend's under arrest for DWI. She said to call Ashley.
Her sister?
I don't know. She said tell my friends to call. Oh, you got it? Okay. All right. Look. So here's the thing. You guys aren't in any trouble. All right. What I do ask for both of you to do, though, if you can step out of the car from that, so you're not in trouble or anything.
Yeah, of course.
So what's gonna end up happening is her car's. I'll wait for both of you to get out. Does she have a phone in the car by any chance that you know of?
We just had it. I have it now.
Perfect. Okay, just hold on to it for me.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
No problem.
And is that her purse?
Yes.
If you can grab it for me, please. Look, just real quick, I'm just gonna explain it to you guys. Her car gets impounded. Okay, so we're gonna have a tow truck come.
Okay.
You two are free to go. If you
get a ride.
Well, what we can do for you, I don't want to leave you on the side of the road.
No.
If you want to come when Officer Bowler here is going to wait for the tow truck, if you guys need a ride, we can bring you back to our police department. You guys can get a ride from there, just so you're not standing on the side of Route 35. That's what I was going to say. The only thing is I just got to look in the car real quick for a few things.
Okay, yeah.
All right, and then like I said,
Where's Corley going?
to Shrewsbury Police Department. We're right on the street there.
Okay.
All right.
I think I'm gonna go there.
That's fine. Yeah, you're just going to have to wait until the tow truck comes. All right.
No, I think we're good.
Hey, just open a glove box real quick. Should have a ton of vapes on her, but I think it's just literally. Just ask her friend.
Yes.
2535, do you want your record?
All right. Well, I just want to see if she.
Yeah, please.
Did you already get her DL and everything?
I have her DL, her insurance, and her registration.
Okay. If that's her wallet.
And then I'll take her phone because we're gonna let her call whoever she needs to call.
Yeah.
You already called her sister or whoever Ashley is.
I don't have her number.
Well, I'll let her use her phone. That's not the end of the world. All right. And then you have her purse, and you're gonna come inside.
I have everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right. All right. Yeah. Just hang tight, and then we'll let you know. All right. So look, I have your phone here. I'm gonna put it on the front seat on the floor. It's gonna come inside with us when it can. All right. And then the other thing is too, they're gonna come inside and wait for you. All right. So just so you know that. And then your car gets towed, so we gotta wait for a tow truck. And then if you go around back, we're gonna go to the door over there. This way, not over here. Yep, we're right over there. And then after you, then make a right, and then you see a bench right there on the right. Just stand by the bench for me, right there. Just stand right there for me. Just do me a favor. Just stand up for me. And I'm just going to uncuff you, alright? Do you have anything in your pockets or anything like that?
No.
Alright. Just do me a favor. Just turn them inside out for me. If you can. Right. I'm going to read some paperwork, alright? Just turn your pockets inside out. If you can. Yeah, like, reach in and pull them out. Perfect. Other one too. Thank you. All right, you can sit. I can see you're fine.
All right.
Just sit down for me. All right. Then I'm just gonna. I have to cut. No. Just one on. All right. While you're back here, I gotta keep you. I gotta just read a few things to you real quick, and then I'll.
So my friend's blood is with.
they're gonna be on the other side of the wall, pretty much. Like so what happens here? I'll tell you real quick. When we're done, it's New Jersey. It's just a criminal offense, it's a traffic ticket. So you get released to somebody else, right? So as long as a person who's sober can come pick you up, we can release you to them. All right? We're gonna be here for 20 to 30 minutes. All right? So you have been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJS 39450. The law requires you to submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. A record of the taking of your breath samples, including the test results, will be made upon your request. A copy of that record will be made available to you. After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right, at your own expense, to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty of refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of up to $2,000, installation of an ignition interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driving resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offense of which you are found guilty. You have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking the breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay giving samples of your breath. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit to breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform a test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with refusal to submit to breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit samples of your breath? Yeah, we need a verbal besides a thumbs up.
My dad would say no, but...
What do you say?
Yes.
Okay.
The investigation confirmed the off-duty officer's suspicions. Lexi blew a .158, nearly double the legal limit. It's a stark reminder that public safety is a 24/7 job. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.